Welcome to the Wealth Matters podcast, where investors come together to better understand how to build passive cash flow and create generational wealth without all the confusing mumbo-jumbo. Here's your host and co-author of Amazon #1 bestseller, Alpesh Parmar.
Welcome to Wealth Matters podcast. We have been talking about real estate and then crypto and a lot more crypto and then back to real estate on every Monday episode, right? So today I want to go back to cryptos and talk about the sites I use to analyze a currency or a token. I do put some gambling money because a lot of you have reached out to me about investing in Dogecoin, then Shiba Inu, Kishu Inu, Red Flocky, SafeMoon, and many other meme coins, right? Some people call them as SHIT coins, right? But so that's more gambling. I wouldn't put more than $100 on each of those coins because I know I'm okay to lose that much money. But other than that, I think you need to focus on analyzing the currency you are interested in investing, be it cryptocurrency, something related, a token, coin, whatever you want to call. So I want to go through the websites I use to analyze those currencies. By the way, if you are watching this on YouTube, please like the video and subscribe to Wealth Matters channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified right away as soon as I post a new video. And if you are listening to this on a podcast platform, please subscribe and as well as leave a rating or review because that would help me gain more subscribers as well as that will help me attract better guests or speakers for the podcast. So thank you so much for doing that. Now back to what we want to talk about, the sites used to analyze. And the first and foremost, I think everyone should be using, it is called coinmarketcap.com. And that's where we are going to jump now. I'm going to share my screen. So that's the first one everyone should look at. This is where you'll be able to find, you can actually go here and there is a search icon on the right side and you can search for the coin. So let's say I can say that I'm looking for Shiba Inu. I can search and it will find. And now I can actually find the contract from here. So I don't want to trust because a lot of time, I'm going to tell you numerous times, someone will give you a contract address or maybe on Telegram or WhatsApp, someone will try to scam you by giving you a wrong contract address. So take the contract address from CoinMarketCap or one of those sites and compare as well, maybe going to the Shiba Inu's website. Right now, the website is also listed here, shibatoken.com to confirm. Also, you can open the white paper and look at the white paper by clicking on the white paper button. But this is what will give you an idea about the currency, right? Also, there is a chart here. You can do 1 day, 7 day, year to date, or even just 1 year, a year over year chart, right? This will give you pretty good idea. The other thing I look at is which markets it's available on. So you can scroll down and it will show the markets. Right now it's on Binance, Coinbase, Huobi, KuCoin, etc. So a lot of markets are available. So this is one way for me to analyze. And there is a lot more here, like historical data, how many holders are there, unique addresses. Top 10 holders, this is what scares me. Top 10 holders own 72% of Shiba Inu token, right? Or coin. So that's pretty big because if this wells start dumping, pretty much your investment could turn to zero in no time. Top 20 holders own 76%. So all of this you can capture from the holders tab. There is wallets tab as well. How is the social media performing? So all that you can look it up on coinmarketcap.com. And today I'm not going to focus on just this one website, but I think in future I'll go through all of this website individually and pretty much dig deep. But today I wanted to give you guys about 5 different websites I use for analyzing my coins. And then in the future, as I said, we can go dig deep on each of those websites, but at least this will get you started and you can then start playing around. So that's one of the website. Right now, it's also showing all the top 10 cryptocurrencies. Number 4 is Cardano. 6 is Solana. I think Solana is going to overtake Cardano most probably by end of the year. That is XRP, Polkadot, Dogecoin, and Shiba Inu. Believe it or not, it's ahead of Terra Luna, one of my favorite coins. So you never know how people will react. The other website I want to talk about is messari.io, messari.io. It's a pretty good website for lots of analytical data and graphs and etc. Again, here also on the front page, it shows all the different assets, right? What's the current ROI on different asset? If you in last 7 days, you can also look at assets by ecosystem, right? So Polkadot, Cosmos, BSC, Solana. Also, it shows all the research data, right, from Messari. Messari is a huge crypto research website. They, of course, have a paid subscription. I'm going to put the link here. I'm not a paid customer, but it's a pretty good website. I follow them regularly, and you can even click on different research, like if you just want to see Bitcoin research, Ethereum, DeFi related research, NFTs, layer 1, Web3, interoperability, DAOs, decentralized exchanges, centralized exchanges, lending, yield farming. So they do a lot of research, even layer 2, tons of research on each of those categories. And they have a separate research section. They have an Intel section. If you sign up, you'll be able to get detailed intelligence data around cryptos, right? They also have a lot of screeners, right? So you can pretty much pick the screeners. So I actually love this section the most, because I can see, let's say, what is Anderson Horowitz investing in? So I can go A16Z portfolio screener, and it shows me they are currently invested in Rally, Fay Protocol, Oasis Network, Celo. So all of that for free, right? You don't even have to sign up for a pro subscription. So I highly recommend looking into messari.io. The third one I use is cryptopanic.com, cryptopanic.com. This is actually an awesome website for people like me who love to follow all the news, all the social media sentiment around different cryptos, to DeFi, to NFTs, right? Because I don't want to go through Facebook, maybe LinkedIn. Of course, Twitter is the biggest one where all of this happens, and then other news media websites. Because this cryptopanic.com goes through all kind of news media all over the world and picks out the news which are pretty much trending right now, which seems to be more important, right? You can even have price alerts. So, and once they show up this news, you can actually click on the link like this, and you can go to the website right away. So I clicked on a link related to cryptobriefing.com regarding the graph protocol, and it's the link opens up. So I highly recommend looking at cryptopanic.com. Again, I'm not affiliated with them or any of this website. I'm not getting paid to market any of them. And also, if you are using other websites, please comment. Please comment below on YouTube, or even when you are leaving a rating or review, talk about it on Apple Podcasts or Google Podcasts, or even email me, because I would love to know more about the websites others are using. So that's the third website. Fourth one is pretty interesting. It's called cryptomiso.com. It's a miso soup, cryptomiso.com. What this one does, it's pretty cool as well. It shows how many times this particular project has committed code to the GitHub. So this shows that how committed the developers are, how much their time they're working on, spending their time on developing or maybe making the code better, right? So it shows Trust Wallet is the number one now. They have had 7,800 commits. They have 99 contributors. Second is Solana. They have committed code or 4,000 times and over 100 contributors. And I can tell why Solana keeps going up. It's all-time high yesterday on October 25th. Mina, Avalanche. So this is how you can pretty much see which currencies have their developers working really hard. So this is another big one. The last one I want to talk about would be the one which I'm going to actually highly recommend as well. That would be it's called lunarcrush.com, LUNARCRUSH.com. And for this, I'll put a link, which would be my referral link. If you use it, it would be great. I learned some lunar coins, but also if you sign up, I have already posted it on my group there. If you sign up, you will also earn some lunar coins. I love this website a lot as well, because this gives me pretty good idea, not only about the news, but actually it's talking about how the coins are trending on social media. So you can click on markets, and this is LUNARCRUSH.com, and it shows me now Shiba Inu is trending the most. So it's Galaxy score, that's the score they come up with, is 80, and their alternate currency score is 1. So for Shiba, the number 2 is Blocktopia, Curve Token, Secret. So this shows me if I want to make a quick buck here and there, or if it shows me that, okay, this is where I should be moving soon, then, or if I'm planning to move soon in a coin, then I can, go through this list and figure out if it's worth actually. And on top of it, you can click on that coin, and now it will show you even more detail, like how it's correlated to Bitcoin, what is the social volume, which is 71%, how is the social engagement, 67%, what is the social dominance, which is 143%. Basically, whenever it's being mentioned, it dominates the discussion, right? Social contributors, it's pretty cool. What is the bullish sentiment as well as bearish sentiment, Reddit volume, Twitter volume, how is the medium volume, news, all that. So, and again, I don't want to focus on Shiba Inu, but today it's trending, so somehow it's showing up everywhere. But this is a great website to explore all the coins and currencies, and even you can click on exchange, how the exchanges are performing today, right? So number 1 is Binance today, 24-hour volume. Second is BCP Go. Third is EX. Funny, Coinbase Pro and Coinbase are 7 and 8 respectively. So it's pretty cool how this website, analyzes data and puts it in a presentable format and easier to understand format. So I highly recommend checking out all of these websites. Again, I'll put the link in the show notes. So let me know what you guys think. But this is what I wanted to share today. Hope you have learned a lot out of this, and let me know what you think about how I did in this episode. Thank you so much for watching and listening. Enjoy and keep investing.
Thanks for listening to the Wealth Matters podcast. If you enjoyed it, please leave us a 5-star rating on iTunes so others can enjoy the show too. Have a great week and happy investing!